Well, it stopped raining and the sun is out a little bit. I'm just going to take a walk and see what's going on. Here's the wet driveway. Holding up pretty good considering there's been millions of gallons of water that have gone down it. A little bit of mud out here in the field, not too bad. There's the sun, believe it or not. Well, I'll need to fix that. The ditches are as full as they get here. This is our woods draining out onto the road. And all the water ending up across the street, which is okay by me. The water's up over Coonville Road. I've never seen it like this before in all the time we've lived out here. That's the gate to John Colson's cow pasture off of Coonville Road. Flooded right up to the edge of the highway here. Yeah, I need to walk up here real fast so I don't get run over. John Colson's field looks like the ocean out there. Looking in the other direction at the water going over Coonville Road. Both ends of the road are blocked off, but it's really not stopping anybody from coming down through here. The road across the Pine Mount Highway is completely impassable. There's some blue sky.